Alright, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Neeraj and today I'm going to tell you 5 outfit ideas that you can wear on this Valentine Day to impress a girl. So I will tell you one by one all the 5 outfits that you can wear to impress a girl. So let's roll the intro. So you might have heard Men in Black, but most of the time the Men in Black is always in formals. So I will today tell you how you can look Men in Black but in casual. So today we are going to start with all black outfit. So this is black jeans which you can wear over this black t-shirt, v-neck t-shirt, which will look very cool on you. And outside that you can wear a black denim. So let me show you how all this combination look like. So below this you can wear a white pair of shoes or a black pair of shoes. So let me wear this and show you how all this outfit looks. So let's start. So this is a black denim jacket which I have wore with a v-neck t-shirt, which you can see all over, looks very cool on you. So below that I have pair of white shoes of sneakers with a black pant. So overall combination is amazing. You can check out this combination. This is called all black with in casual, but you can wear it for the Valentine Day and I'm sure a girl will surely look over you. So you can surely try this outfit, and one of the best outfit I like is this on me. Let's try the next outfit, which is my second favorite. So let's start. So guys, this is the second outfit which we are going to try on this Valentine Day. So the combination is like this. It is a blue denim jacket with a white shirt and a white pair of jeans with the Nike retro sneakers, but you can wear any kind of sneakers you have. So overall it look very cool on you and it will surely catch eye of any girl when you are walking on the street or in the mall. So you can surely try one of this outfit and it look really cool on me, so you can also try. So let's start the third outfit which you gonna love. So my third outfit will be this. So third outfit that you can try on this Valentine Day to impress a girl is a black formal, which will definitely change your game. If you do not like casual, you can definitely check this black outfit. So I have taken a black shirt of black pant and a pair of shoes, formal pair of shoes, which you can definitely check. So this look very cool, and if you want to change the game, so you can just roll up your sleeves. So you can definitely roll up your sleeves to change the game, and little bit you can fold it. You can make 2 fold and it will really look cool on you. So this is a 2-fold game, and if you want to make this more interesting outfit, so you can take a simple muffler on this and this will definitely change your game, which most of my friends like to wear. So now you can check the outfit and it's really looking very amazing. So you can just look out you can just check the result out there. Just check out it full outfit. So you can wear a watch or a band or a bracelet to look more attractive and more decent on this outfit, because this is one of the best outfit a girl will look for. So if you do not like wearing formal, what I have done, I have made a formal and a casual combination just for you, so that you can change your game. So this is a black shirt with the chinos and a sneakers, white pair of sneakers. You can wear any color of chinos and a black shirt over it, which will really look cool on this. Again, the game changer will be the muffler. So you can wear this muffler if you like, because it will give you more attractive look, and a watch or a band in your hand, so that to change the game and to look more impressive. So this is the overall outfit which you can check out. It really look very amazing. So you can definitely wear this on this Valentine Day. So this is our fourth outfit, so which we gonna try the next fifth outfit. I'm sorry, my mic is coming over this. So this is the fourth outfit which we are trying, formal and a casual. This is a formal shirt and a casual chinos and a pair of sneakers. So let's begin with the fifth and the last outfit. So this is the fifth and the last outfit which I gonna share with you guys for this Valentine Day special. So this is a high neck which you can wear with any jeans, white, black, or a blue denim jeans, anything. So this is the basic outfit which you can wear on this Valentine Day. So if you want to make little bit cooler or attractive, so you can put a simple black jacket, denim jacket, which I earlier showed you. So this is a black jacket, denim jacket, which you can simply wear it. You can look little bit more attractive and more decent. So you can see this outfit. And if you do not have a black denim jacket, you can surely wear any other jeans jacket which you have, another denim jacket which you can wear like this. I have another denim jacket which I showed you on this previous outfit. So you can simply wear this also. It will also look cool on you. So you can simply go with this outfit also. So this is the 5 outfit ideas which I have given you for this Valentine Day. So please comment down your favorite outfit which you like among the 5. So if you have any inquiry regarding the outfit, you can definitely call me on 9811 Garmara Chalta 1. So अगर इतना बता दिया तो इतना यहाँ तक तो कर ही लोगे. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then stay sexy baby. Peace. तो till then मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट. रुक जा दोबारा लिए यहाँ से.